Hello, welcome to Health and Academia. Today in this video, I will share easy steps to do facial at home that will transform your skin in just one use. Let's start with step number 1. Double cleansing. Take few drops of coconut oil and start to rub it on your face. All impurities in your skin pores will stick to this oil and will come out easily from your face. Now, in next part of this cleansing, take any face wash which suits your skin and wash your face with this. Foaming face cleansers are best for oily skin, and for normal to dry skin you can use gentle milk or cream-based face wash. Next step is face streaming. Take the soft cotton towel, dip this in hot water. Remove excess water and cover your face with this towel for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, remove this towel and rub it gently on your face. This rubbing will remove dead layer from your face and will also help to remove black and whitehead. Last step is anti-pigmentation face pack. To make this mask you will need tomato pulp, coffee powder, few drops of lemon juice, a pinch of turmeric. In a bowl, take 1 spoon of coffee powder. In this, add 1 spoon of tomato pulp and a pinch of turmeric powder, and add few drops of lemon juice in this. Mix it well and your mask is ready. Apply a layer of this mask and let it dry for 15 minutes. Rinse your face with plain water and you're done. Your facial is done here. After this facial, you should apply the vitamin C face serum. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.